Hello, and welcome to training on how to create a new lead source within IQ Office. This is a manager or admin function, and unless you are in the system as a manager or an administrator, you will not be able to access this section of IQ Office. Once you're logged into your IQ Office, click on the admin button in the lower left-hand corner, and then scroll down to the leads section and click on sources. This will open your main lead source dashboard. From here, you can create a new lead source by clicking either New from Template by using one of the existing lead sources, or simply New to create an entirely new lead source. From the screen, the easiest way to understand the lead source template is to start at the very bottom of the screen. If you wish there to be terms for the lead acceptance, choose Yes from the drop-down and type the terms of the lead into the box. This can be something like relocation fees, updating lead status, and an agreement between you and the agent who accepts the lead. Then, choose underneath the status code what the initial lead status will be. Typically, it is set to New, and if the status is set to Direct to User, what that lead status will be. Then, select the status codes available to the agent underneath the status codes. If you are using vendors within IQ Office, you can also assign vendors to leads by using the Add a Vendor button or searching through the vendors that you have already entered in. Direct-to-user settings mean if someone is looking for an agent in particular, are they allowed to contact the agent direct? Choose if you would like this option by selecting Yes or No from the drop-down. If the direct-to-user does not respond, do you want that lead to go to the administrator of the lead source, route to the default user, or to route as a new lead within the system? Also, set your direct-to-user acceptance period. If you wish the lead to be auto-accepted by the agent, click 0 to have it auto-accepted. Otherwise, you have the option of choosing for between 5 minutes to 18 hours. If you want the lead to check the blacklist before routing to direct-to-users, select Yes. If the user is on the blacklist, and this is marked as Yes, their direct-to-user functionality will be turned off, and the agent will not be able to receive the lead. If you want to change the status, select No. If there is a referral fee associated with direct-to-user, set the referral fee within this box. The next section is for default user settings. Default user settings are typically used for things like recruiting new agents, website feedback, or educational opportunities. In this instance, you would assign a default user into the lead source. You can do so by typing the agent name or using the magnifying glass to select the agent from the drop-down list. If the default user does not respond, you have the choice to route it as a new lead or assign it to an admin. And you want to have it send to the default users first in this instant. However, if you want to skip the default user, simply select No from this drop-down. If you would like the Office Manager to be notified of the leads being offered, lost, accepted, or declined, simply choose Yes from the drop-downs available. The top general information talks about the lead source name, display title, user group assigned to the lead, as well as the administration. Be sure to name your lead source something that makes sense so that when agents are offered the lead, they know what it is. Then choose what the lead display title will be. And select the user group by using the magnifying glass of the agents who will be available to have leads routed to them. If there's an administrator of the plan, select that administrator by typing the name of the administrator in or by using the magnifying glass, similarly to the way we did the default user. Set the acceptance period for the lead. Also, if there's a referral fee associated with the lead, type that referral fee into the box. If you would like to have a lead race, meaning the lead is offered to more than one agent at the same time, and whoever accepts the lead first gets the lead, select the number of agents you would like to send the lead to from the drop-down box. If you would like a specific agent or staff member to be notified when the leads arrive, type or search for that agent here. If the lead is marked as dead, choose if you would like to have the lead returned to the broker or no confirmation. This assures that leads that are marked as dead get reviewed by at least one additional person before they are confirmed as dead. If you would like the lead to stay within one office, the office of the first user it is routed to, select Yes from this dropdown. That assures that it will skip people in the user group assigned if they are not in the same office as the first person in the lead routing list. Choose the layout template that you would like to use for the lead source. You have the option of contact, text message, house value, info request, incoming email, private listing, property watch, website registration, or showing a request. Also select if you would like an incoming email rule. If you have questions about incoming email rules, please contact the help desk. And last, choose the source type. Is this a web lead, an email lead, a phone, or a referral? Once you've made all the changes to the lead source, scroll to the very bottom of the page and click the Save button. This will open up the entire lead source for you. You are then given tabs at the top of the screen to edit information about the lead source, including the distribution of the leads last received, the field layout of how the lead will come in, the email account if you would like it to be forwarded to a specific email, and any transaction data that's associated with the lead source. Once you're done editing the lead, click on the Close button to go back to the lead source page. This has been training on how to add a new lead source within IQ Office. We are in the business of helping you to work smarter, and we hope you make it a great day.